If you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2025 on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent cloud saves from syncing properly. You can test your connection by browsing the web or streaming content. Step 2. Restart Steam Deck. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and clear any minor errors. Step 3. Verify Steam Cloud settings. Open the Steam client on your Steam Deck and navigate to the settings. Under the Cloud section, ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization option is checked. This allows your games to save progress in the cloud. Step 4. Check game-specific cloud settings. Some games have their own cloud save settings. Go to your library, right-click on the game experience in the issue, and select Properties. Under the General tab, check if the Keep Game Saves in the Steam Cloud option is enabled. Step 5. Contact Steam Support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to reach out to Steam Support. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They can offer further assistance tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error on your Steam Deck and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.